work on compare and contrast. This week we will be working on folk tales. Remember, folk tales are made up stories that have been passed down through generations. One folk tale you're going to be listening to or reading yourself is going to be The Three Little Pigs, and then you're going to have The Three Geese, and you're going to be comparing and contrasting those. The first thing you're going to be working on is a Venn diagram, which Mrs. Flanagan went over with you the week before spring break. Remember, the middle part of the diagram is simply for you to put things that the two stories, or in this case folk tales, have in common. And then the Venn diagram is already labeled which side is for the three pigs and which side is for the three geese. And so you're going to put the things that are different in each story on there. So that is the question number one. I'm going to go ahead and have you pause the video and go ahead and take a moment to either listen to the videos that I have put up of the stories, or you can take time and read the stories on your own. I would really encourage you, even if you listen to me reading them, that at some point this week you sit down and try to actually read the stories yourself also. Hopefully by now you've had time to read read that story or listen to the story. One of the things that you're going to notice as you continue to go through is you're going to not only be working on your Venn diagram, but you're going to be answering questions. So for both of those things, I want you to think about, do you have any characters that are in common? Do you have any materials that the characters may use that are in common? Do you have a solution maybe that both stories had in it? Is there anything that you can find that is like or different about those stories? I recommend going back into the story and even maybe circling or underlining those things that would help you be able to answer the questions and fill out your Venn diagram. One thing that you're going to see on the last set of questions is it's going to have you write something for us. One of the things that I want to talk to you about when you're writing is some words that you can use that will help you talking about things that are similar and different. If you're talking about anything with them that are similar, you could use the words like, both, similarly, alike, also, each, and same. That is for anything that you are saying that there is similarities. Now, if you're talking about something that is different about the two folk tales, you can say but, however, yet, although, instead, unlike, different, and in contrast. So you can use any of those words to help you when you are working on that. Make sure that you take your time throughout the week and go back and double check each story when you're answering the questions. I always say go back into the text, find the answers that you're looking for. Don't just think you know them. So make sure you take your time, go back and through and read the stories. I recommend reading them a couple times or listening to them a couple times before you complete the work. If you have any questions whatsoever, you are free to contact your teacher, and I hope everyone has a great week.